English Language Explained, Mint Tea Recipe. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, mint tea recipe. This topic is not just about tea. It's a great way to understand how English words come together to form meanings. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive in. Mint tea recipe is a phrase composed of 3 words, each significant. Let's break it down. Mint, a type of herb known for its fresh, aromatic flavor. Tea, a popular beverage made by infusing dried leaves in hot water. Recipe, a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of ingredients needed. Put together, mint tea recipe refers to the instructions or method for making tea using the mint herb. In English, phrases like mint tea recipe are commonly used in cooking and beverage preparation contexts. You might find it in cookbooks or cooking websites, during a cooking class, in casual conversation about favorite beverages or recipes. Understanding the context helps in grasping the phrase's practical usage. Mint tea is more than just a drink in many cultures. For instance, in Moroccan culture, mint tea is a symbol of hospitality. It's often used for its digestive benefits. Learning about such cultural associations helps in appreciating the phrase beyond its literal meaning. Pronouncing the phrase correctly is essential. Let's break it down. Mint sounds like mint in minty fresh. Tea rhymes with see. Recipe pronounced as recipe with emphasis on the first syllable. Practice saying it a few times to get comfortable. That's all about mint tea recipe. I hope this video has not only taught you the meaning of this phrase but also shown you how to dissect English phrases for better understanding. Remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step of it. See you in our next video.